Choose exterior paint colors that resist ultraviolet fade while matching your climate and neighborhood. For hot and sunny climates, we recommend selecting lighter hues because they absorb less heat and reduce expansion and degradation of the coating. Opt for high-quality, 100% acrylic formulations with built-in ultraviolet stabilizers and pigments engineered for exterior durability. These binders flex with temperature swings and shed ultraviolet energy more effectively than cheaper alkyd or latex blends. Always test colors with large swatches placed on different elevations and orientations of the house, because sun angle, shading from trees, and reflected light from nearby surfaces change perceived color and reveal fading tendencies over months. Look for published color retention ratings or weathering test results from the manufacturer, and prefer pigments identified as Lightfast or weatherfast. Natural inorganic pigments typically hold longer than many organic dyes. Maintain consistent surface preparation and proper primer selection, since adhesion and coating thickness directly affect ultraviolet resistance and lateral fade. Follow manufacturer dry times and apply coatings at the recommended film thickness. Finally, consider how finish sheen affects longevity. Lower sheens hide chalking and color shifts better, while satin and semi-gloss shed moisture and dirt but can show degradation differently. Homeowners often pick a color from a small card and assume it will look the same on the whole house, which leads to regret. Avoid this by viewing large swatches in both morning and late afternoon light and over several weeks. Another common mistake is choosing cheaper paint to save money than seeing premature fade. The remedy is to budget for 100% acrylics with ultraviolet stabilizers and confirm recommended film thickness at purchase. People also ignore neighborhood or homeowners association guidelines and then face repainting or fines. Check rules early and choose a compliant palette or submit samples to avoid rework. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can advise on durable color systems and proper application for long life. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners. And our site includes a discussion community where users and professionals share experiences, swatch photos, and long-term results.